Hey dump truckers, Dominique here. So it is very windy out here and I really wanted to get this video out to you because I can finally tell you guys what we bought the 77 for. And no, I'm not gonna stick a driver in it. It is actually for Bobby to help me expand the business by doing his own type of work. We actually bought this Sani 60 mini excavator and he is gonna get into doing some homeowner stuff, of course. I wanna go to a clip of the day we brought the surprise home. So stay tuned and let's check out what I just bought. Hey guys, we got a new addition here. We got the whole group down here checking it out. Thought you'd want to see it. Ram, come here, bud.
Plastic. It's a nice one.
Yeah, it's bigger than I was expecting. My friend has a 50, a John Deere 50, and this thing was way bigger. I literally was leaving to take Davey to cheer when it was getting delivered. I was like, yeah, just put it down there. And then I came home, came down and looked at it for a couple minutes with him. And then we went up, gave him breakfast and everything, and then hung out with him, put him down for a nap, and then I went and worked on the truck.
That'd crush up a boat or a camper pretty good. We've done it with one that's probably a quarter of this size.
And I had it plumbed for the mulcher attachments and everything already.
So it's got the case, what do they call it? Case return?
Case drain, I think.
Yeah, case drain.
Yeah.
Sweet, because that's, yeah, we talked about getting the head before, like just between the machine and the head cost, you're like, holy cow.
What do the heads cost?
When we looked before everything went crazy, it was $26,000.
Yeah.
We looked at getting a pretty nice one. Had the FAE, and it would actually could probably go bigger than this one. We were looking at like an 040 Kubota, and that's kind of the biggest one you could run.
I think it might actually be the same size.
Yeah, it's probably about the same, yeah.
Dude, come on.
This actually comes a lot.
He's like, where's Cody? Where's Cody?
I wonder where he lives.
That's...
Well, around here, blackberry, like,
yeah.
I would pay someone to come into my yard and cut the blackberries back a couple feet.
Right.
Coming in and...
This is so cool. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm impressed with the size, or like the room you have in here to work on.
Pretty cool. Just pop that side opens. Oh, you gotta
Close the door.
There's a release head anyway.
just push on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think you have to
Close
release
this
the
door.
It's on the inside right here.
What happened to Rem?
He's right there.
Okay.
Wow, that's so
That's
much gooder.
super easy.
Yeah.
Holy
That's
crap.
nice. All that room.
Holy crap. That's so easy to
Look
get
how
the
easy
pump and stuff.
the counterweight to come off too.
Yeah.
Easy.
Super easy. Wow.
It's funny though, because we bought it sight unseen. We didn't even look at one.
Mm-hmm. You're the kind of people they like. Oh, I can sign the paperwork and you'll give me that? Okay.
Right?
Load her up.
Yeah. Well, they didn't have any, and they
had a 70.
Mm-hmm.
And we kind of looked at it. We didn't open anything up or anything, but that one was just, I think, a little too big for. It's like this and a 50. I think is like as big as I would want to go for a mini.
Yeah.
This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, the global leader in men's grooming. We're finally escaping the heat, the leaves are changing, and pumpkin spice is in the air. Some call it pumpkin spice season, but when it comes to my man, all he's thinking about is fresh ball fall. Make sure his caramel apples are smooth and fresh with the help of our friends at Manscaped. The Manscaped Platinum Package 4.0 has everything the man in your life needs to freshen up for fall. Whether you're gifting it to your man or using it on your bikini line, let's keep the bush tame with the Lawnmower 4.0 trimmer. With this glorious package, you can align your entire hygiene routine all in one swoop. Inside the 10-part Platinum Package is everything you know and love about the Performance Package, plus Some shower goodies included to elevate your grooming game. The Lawnmower 4.0 body trimmer and Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer feature proprietary advanced skin safe technology to protect your delicate parts. Both are waterproof so you can keep scaping even as the weather changes. Get 20% off plus free international shipping plus 2 free gifts at Manscaped with promo code DUMPTRUCK at manscaped.com. This one's a little bigger than a 308, isn't it?
Yeah. Hey, I don't really know cat sizes that well.
I know, but that's what I'm used to from Pelco.
I'm used to working for a rich company that buys the most expensive equipment you can buy.
I don't think we're poor. This feels pretty rich to me.
Yeah, that one's seen better days.
Well, maybe by the time I could actually brush off the rust off my driving ability, you'll be ready.
Hey,
He actually did super good yesterday.
I'm probably no better.
No, he did super good, and I think he would have done better if he hadn't had to worry about the trailer so much. Because I was like, hey, watch the trailer, and so then he's trying to shift, and I'm like, take it wide.
And the camera.
I had the camera on him,
Oh, yeah, she didn't do that.
but he did so good.
What?
What's wrong?
Come on. He's like, I want to go up here.
He's funny because he only wants to go where everybody's not. When you're up at the house, he wants to come down here.
Is he into machinery?
I set him in there and he wasn't having it.
You turn it on for me now?
He was sitting on my lap in there, but I set him in there by himself while it wasn't running.
Oh, you guys are such hip.
Now the plan is for Bobby to be able to start doing some homeowner stuff, and also in conjunction with one of our neighbors who has a junk removal business. Bobby's going to be doing his first job this weekend with our neighbor, and I'm sure you guys are going to see a lot more of our neighbor Gerald in future videos. But that's another story for another day, of course. In addition to the excavator, we bought this flail mower because sticker bushes are a huge problem in the Northwest and everybody's always trying to get rid of them. And this thing chews them up like no big deal at all. Bobby did like 3 acres of our property in just a few hours. It seems like there's a lot of people out there that need this done. Okay, and I know you guys' next question is going to be, well, yeah, you got a truck and you have a Mini. How are you guys going to get it places? Because obviously you're not going to track your Mini to every job. Maybe one of the ones in the cul-de-sac, but that's about it. Of course, if you follow my other YouTube channel where I keep all my shorts, which I'll link it up here, you guys would already know this, or if you follow me on TikTok. A few weeks ago, I finally talked my old boss into selling me my old equipment trailer. Now, if you guys have been around the channel for a while, you remember back when I was pregnant with Remington, I hauled a lot of equipment on this trailer. A lot. I feel like that's like the only thing I did while I was pregnant was haul equipment on this freaking trailer. So, I was able to talk Pelco into selling me this trailer because they've bought 2 more equipment trailers and a flatbed, I think, since I quit. Yeah, a lot more equipment trailers. They don't have a use for this 2-axle anymore. This thing is a 95. It's in really good shape because it was a PUD trailer and then Pelco, and now it's mine. And it's got brand new rubber all the way around. The deck is in pretty good shape. There's a couple boards that need to be replaced, but all in all, it is a good looking trailer. I'll also link a couple of the videos, or at least one of the videos from when I was hauling equipment on this before. So that's it. That's what we bought the 77 for. Is for Bobby to be able to open his part of the business. It's still gonna be one business. We're just gonna be working together completely. He'll be hauling his excavator and his equipment trailer and his dump truck, and I'll keep doing my thing, and we'll just keep building from there. All right guys, well let me know in the comments if you want to see more about the excavator, because I would be happy to show you all of that, and also happy to show you how bad of an operator I am. Some of you have seen that too. So I just need more practice. That's it. I just need more practice. But if you guys want to see me operate this excavator, comment down below, and if it is a yes, then I will operate on camera. I maybe even do it live, just so you guys can see actually how bad I am and I'm not tempted to cut out anything bad. What do you guys think? All right, dump truckers, it's super good to see you guys. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out Manscaped. The link is into the description, and I will see you guys next time.